Hey everyone, Bridget from Riverside here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Riverside's Clips feature. Take a look at what successful content creators like Joe Rogan and Gary Vee do. They repurpose their long-form content into short clips to share across their social media channels and promote their show. At Riverside, we know how tedious it can be to do this, and that's why we created our Clips feature. With Clips, you can repurpose your one-time recording into hundreds of highlights and share them across various channels to promote your content and reach more people. Our Clips interface is super simple to understand and will save you hours of editing time. So let's show you how to use it. During the recording, you're able to mark a clip when you feel a highlight-worthy moment is happening. By clicking Create a Clip or hitting M on your keyboard, Riverside will note this part of the recording for later when you use our editor feature to create clips. To get to the editor, click View All Recordings from your main dashboard. This is where you will see all of the recordings done in that studio. Click on the relevant recording. This will bring you into the recording take page. Click Go to Editor at the top of the page. On the left, you will see all clips that were marked during the recording. You can also create additional clips manually, and you can choose the aspect ratio for each. We recommend your first step be renaming the clip. You can decide how long you want the clip to be by trimming the content on the timeline. You can review the combined audio and video in the preview clip. The quality that you see here is not the quality of the final exported video. Beside the preview, you can decide what tracks you want to include. You can also decide if you want to export both audio and video or audio only. Next, you can adjust the aspect ratios if needed. For more information on aspect ratios, check out our blog post linked in the description. Next, you can decide on the layout of the clip. Grid means that all parties involved in the recording session will be on screen at all times, and you can decide to have this with gaps or without gaps. AI speaker view means that the speaker will take up the full frame. You can choose different layouts for this as well. You can customize your clip and make it your own by adding a background. Riverside has some options to choose from, or you can upload your own. You can also upload your logo and readjust and reposition to your liking. When you're happy with your clip, you can click Export. Decide on the specs of the final video. You can choose 720p, 1080p, or even 4K, but of course this depends on what kind of camera was used to record. You can also decide if you want Riverside to normalize the audio levels in the clips and remove any background noise like air conditioning and traffic. While you wait for this clip to export, you can continue creating clips, or you can exit to the recording take page. This is where you will access all of the clips that you created inside of the editor. Any unexported clips will be saved as drafts to continue editing later. When a clip is ready to be exported, it will say Ready. You can preview the clip, download this clip, as well as duplicate and edit it if you want to make changes. You can also share the clip directly on various platforms. For more information on the integration of each of these platforms, head to Riverside's support article called Hosting My Recordings, linked in the description. That's our Clips feature. It's a super simple way to create content without even having to leave the Riverside platform. With just a few clips, you can create quality content to elevate your brand. For more information and for additional help, head to riverside.fm/support. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. Make sure to let us know how you'll be using Riverside in the comments. And of course, subscribe to our page and follow us on social media for more tips and tricks on how you can use Riverside for all things podcasting and beyond.